Hey guys, I'm Meteorologist Chris Tomer. Let's talk some mountain weather. And the first thing we'll do is look at the headlines here. Tiny, fast-moving area of very light snow dropping down through Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, New Mexico over the next 12 hours. And then it's high pressure building in across the west through probably the 28th. And then after that, we'll probably have a storm system. In the northeast, it looks like a warmer storm will move in Thursday, Friday, and then sort of just unsettled in the northeast through the weekend. Let me just show you what the cams look like in Colorado. So we're kind of waiting on, it looks like just flurries right now, waiting on maybe an inch of snow. Winter Park, Steamboat, Loveland Ski Area, Abe Basin, as this fast front kind of drops down from Montana, Wyoming, and into Colorado, but not a lot happening right now. Pretty cloudy, a couple of flurries at this point. Let me show you what the storm track looks like. Here is your basic jet running way up now into the Pacific Northwest, and then there's a trough. And of course, that's severe weather setup for the deep south today with the jet running right through New Orleans and Arkansas. So up here, look at the ridge. That high pressure, which is building into California, is going to last through probably the 28th. Most of the active weather is a big low here. That's what had sent down, a lot of wind, but also that tiny front that's dropping through Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, New Mexico over the next 12 hours. But all of this action is going to be aimed at the Pacific Northwest for the foreseeable future. That's where most of the active weather is going. In fact, let me just show you what the interpretation is here from the GFS model. Let me take you into Wednesday morning. So by Wednesday morning, you've got high pressure across the west. Here goes the big low up into the northeast. And this one, by Thursday morning, is rain or an ice, sleet, snow mix through a lot of the ski areas of the northeast. And it's such a big low that it carves out a trough in the atmosphere and just creates a lot of unsettled weather. Even on Friday, here's Friday morning, wraparound snow showers or rain showers. Here's Saturday morning, same thing. Turns a little bit colder here with wraparound snow showers and lake effect. And then on Sunday morning, it's really the same. So, I mean, it's unsettled for like 4 days. Not much happening out west, obviously. And here's the 28th. Here's Monday the 28th. And finally, a new storm hits California with potentially snow for the Sierra, which would be outstanding if we can get that in. Now, this storm, that's the 28th. By Tuesday morning, the 29th, begins to move into the interior, Utah, Wyoming, Idaho, Colorado, New Mexico, Montana. During the day, it slides through. And it may, by Wednesday morning, it may spin up into a larger storm down around Amarillo. If that happens, we might have some wraparound snows through Colorado and northern New Mexico. And then the storm departs. Thursday morning, it moves out and heads towards the northeast. That's the 31st of March right there. All right, let me show you what I'm thinking as far as totals. So just all of today through tomorrow, 1 to 2 inches through Colorado. That's it. Fast front. It's out of here. Done. Then here is phase number 2. This is the 24th through the 29th. Look at where the snow is. It's all shifted up into the north, the Pacific Northwest, Banff, BC. Potentially some decent snow there through Sunshine and Marmot Basin. So that's phase 2. Let me show you phase 3. This is the 30th through the 31st, so the end of March. And that's when that storm system hits California and then moves into the interior. So finally a little bit more of an active weather pattern here at the end of the month. But you're looking at potentially 5 to 8 inches across the high Sierra. Not a lot through Utah, Wyoming, or Colorado at this point. It's way down the road. We'll have to see what kind of jet support and cold air we can get into place, because now we're starting to run into these warmer storm systems. They're running into just warmer air masses as soon as they come in, now that we're getting into late March. So that's the way it looks through the 31st. Let me show you the northeast. All right, so all of today through the 31st. Now, most of this comes with this unsettled pattern, this four-day unsettled pattern here, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Initially, it is warm. We're probably going to see a heavy mix and then maybe some wraparound snows after that, which may add up to several inches. There are also a couple of other clipper storms down the road beyond this forecast, like late in the period, which will add to these totals. But these are grand totals all of today through the 31st. So, over time, it looks impressive. But initially, it may be pretty warm with this storm system coming in Thursday, Friday. Let me take you back to my west numbers again, all of today through tomorrow. And then phase 2 is the 24th through the 29th. Storm track shifts Pacific Northwest, and then it eventually does come back 30, 31, and probably April 1st into the lower Intermountain West. So there you go. Thank you for tuning in here. Always appreciate it, guys. Take care.